Hello and welcome back to Jakubication. Today you're going to learn about strings in Java. The string class can be used to create objects for holding strings. A string is a collection of characters. Must be enclosed in double quotes like double quotes hello world. Brief OOP rundown. OOP stands for object-oriented programming. Class, defined by the language or programmer. Types, that define the variables this type should have and the functionality the type should have. Objects, instances of the class. Classes define how a thing should be made, and an object is that thing. Members, variables belonging to the object. Methods, functions belonging to the object that give the object functionality. Declare a string. String s equals hi. By convention, write first letter of class name in uppercase. Difference between primitive types and reference types. Strings are reference types, while something like an int would be a primitive type. Variables are conceptually boxes, and where these two types differ is what is in the box. Primitive type, the variable's value is in the box. Reference type, value in the box is the memory address of the variable. Creating a string object, string s equals Bob. A string variable s is declared and then a string object, Bob, is created. Finally, the memory address of the string object, Bob, is assigned into the s variable. First common string mistake. If you create a second string, string t equals Bob, and ask if it's double equals s, you'll get true back, which even when I told you about strings being reference types, is an unexpected behavior. You would expect the double equals to compare the two memory addresses of the strings and return false. When you assign a string value directly into your code to a variable, then assign the same string to a new variable, both variables will point at the same memory location. Second common string mistake. String s equals new string Bob. String t equals new string Bob. If you ask if these two are double equal, you'll get back false because their memory addresses aren't equal. Use the equals method for behavior you would expect. String methods. Calling a method is executing it, and returning from a function is to exit a function and or give a value back from it. Method name, length, returns the length of the string. Method name, char@, returns the character at index I. Method name, to lowercase, returns a new lowercase string. Method name, to uppercase, returns a new uppercase string. This is all the string methods I'll cover for now. If you want to learn more about string methods, I'll put Java's string API in the description. In Java, an API is a place to see all of a class's members and methods. So the string API will show you all of the string's members and methods. Ciao.